Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss the load and resistance factor design method of designing a reinforced concrete isolated square footing based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Get the factored load from dead load and live load. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of footing like F1, F2, width of footing, depth of footing, depth from natural grade line, main bars with size and grade, strength of concrete, soil bearing capacity, column shape and size, and design loads. Solve the effective soil pressure from footing depth and depth from natural grade line. Then solve the footing width to get the ultimate soil pressure. Critical section diagrams for punching shear, beam shear, and moment evaluation. Solve the maximum moment from footing width and column width. Then get the concrete beam design ratio Rn to solve the reinforcement ratio Rho and check minimum from ACI code. Solve the area of steel for main bars and its equivalent number of bars. Finally, test for beam shear strength by getting the nominal force from factored beam shear, which should be less than the shear strength capacity of concrete, and test for punching shear strength by getting the nominal force from factored punching shear, which should be less than the punching shear strength capacity of concrete. Design recommendation format as follows: design criteria, footing size, depth of footing from natural grade line, and main bars. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.